So we've waited patiently for the last few months, and it's finally time to harvest all these carrots. We've been picking them from time to time, and they're looking pretty good. Honestly, I'm really excited at how well they've done because carrots have never been super successful for me. Now this was the bed that we did a little bit of an experiment on. Inside over here, this was fertilized with Trifecta. That's an MI Gardener product. And the carrots behind me, they were fertilized with the fertilizer I've been using for years, the Espoma Organic, the Plant Tone. So we're gonna pull them up and we're gonna see which one is we had a pretty decent harvest. Not all of our carrots got to full size, but we did a really lousy job of thinning this year. You remember back in our root vegetable video, we had some help from a 3-year-old planting, so a few too many plants ended up germinating. We were super busy in the garden this year, and so we ended up with too many plants. This fall we'll be a little bit better about it. Additionally, it looks like the trifecticide did a little bit better, but again, this wasn't a super scientific experiment. This fall we'll set something up so that we'll do the same type of carrot in the same space with the same soil on either side, with one using Trifecta and one using the Espoma. We've also tried recently we've tried a Walmart brand, so maybe we'll throw that into the mix as well. So the types of carrots that we grew were Amarillo, we did some Danvers half long, and then the Kaleidoscope. And it looks like the Kaleidoscope weren't too happy with us with our soil, but again, the carrots and the beets and the radishes were kind of an afterthought this year, and they didn't get the attention that they should have had. So thanks so much for joining us again this week, guys. We'll see you again next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a good day.